Hi, my name is John Dobson. I teach entrepreneurship at Harvard Extension School, and welcome to my course on building better business models. The course follows a problem-based approach to teaching and learning. Sounds complicated, but simply means that we learn how to develop better business models by solving real problems. And the nice thing is that you get to decide what problem you want to work on. That means there are no textbooks or case studies to read prior to class. The format is quite simple. Each week, I introduce an entrepreneurial tool set that you will take back to work and apply to a real problem related to a new product, a new process, or even a new entrepreneurial opportunity that you're thinking about. The process follows this DYME model that I developed to help you and other entrepreneurs transform their ideas into opportunities. So each week, we go through the 10-step process of the DYME model, starting with the first step is the idea that you have for a product or service. An idea simply means a conceptual framework to solve a market problem. What the entrepreneur does is then look inwardly to their knowledge, skills, and ability to develop this idea. There's often gaps in what they're trying to develop, so the entrepreneur needs to move out to their network, to their friends and family, and also their business network to help them develop this idea. The entrepreneur has this unique ability, which is called systemic thinking. In the world of chaos, the entrepreneur is able to connect the dots and see a pattern where everybody else sees chaos. As the entrepreneur brings this idea together, you end up with a product that is different. And so the question you need to ask is, so what? What is the market differentiation? How do you resonate from other options out there? Those first 5 steps are the innovation process, or what I call the proof of concept. At which point the entrepreneur revisits their initial idea and revises it. For some entrepreneurs, your knowledge, skill, and ability is better than you thought. Your network functions better. You're able to connect those dots in a way that you revise your idea upward. It's better than you expected. But for most of us, we end up, our abilities aren't as good as we thought they were, our network doesn't function as well, and we're not able to develop it to what we initially imagined. So we revise it downward. But regardless, you have develop something that you then take to the market. And so steps 6 through 10 allow you to test these assumptions with real customers. Step 6 is market segmentation. So most ideas emerge from problems at work or problems at home. And so your customer is often looking at you in the mirror. Step 7, you identify channels to reach that customer. Step 8, you start thinking about low-cost, no-cost solutions to market to them, or what we call entrepreneurial marketing. Step 9, we sort of start effective selling the product. And step 10 is you start getting the feedback and use this feedback to revise your revised idea. And so steps 6 through 10 are the commercialization or the proof of market. So the process of developing ideas into opportunities follows this iterative process, or the infinity loop. As you're constantly going through, you're making small changes, which are iterations, or sometimes you end up coming to a block and realizing that there's some assumptions that you have wrong and you need to make larger pivots. The course is a great place to test your assumptions and is designed to help you build a better business model. So to inspire you, here's some comments from students who previously took the course. The best class I've taken at Harvard Extension School. The class is highly interactive. And one of my favorite comments is, encouraged me to quit my job and start my own business. So I look forward to meeting you and helping you on your entrepreneurial journey. Cheers.